today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do is you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to settings here, just click on it. When you come to your profile, click on settings here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to push notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on notification categories. You come to featured coupons here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's main featured coupons notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.